Hello, children. A warm welcome to your EVS class. Children, let's begin the work of today. Today, we will start a new chapter, chapter 14 Lenses and Microscope. So, first of all, we will read the chapter. So, let's begin. Do you or any of your friends wear spectacles, glasses? Spectacles have special pieces of glass called lenses. Lenses are generally curved pieces of glass. They can be made of other materials too. Contact lenses, for example, are not made of glass. Lenses can curve inwards or outwards. The ones that curve inwards or are thinner in the middle are called concave lens. The ones that bulge outwards or are thicker in the middle are called convex lens. Lenses are used in cameras, binoculars, microscope, telescope, projectors. Binoculars or field glasses help us see things at a distance. Telescope help us see things that are even farther away, like the stars and planets. Microscopes are used to see very tiny things like germs. Projectors are used to project pictures on a screen. Magic eye is used in doors or lenses, and so are magnifying glasses. Even our eyes have lenses. The magnifying glass. The magnifying glass or hand lens is a convex lens. It magnifies small things or makes them look bigger. If you have a magnifying glass, observe things through the lens. Look at the printed page. The print will look bigger. Look at your skin. Does it look different? Look at leaves, flowers, fruits, stones, wood, cloth, whatever you like, sorry. Next, look at something far away. It will look small and upside down. A hand lens magnifies something only when you hold it close to that thing. Lastly, let sunlight pass through the lens. Move the lens around until you get a bright spot of light on the floor. If you place a piece of paper or wood under scope, it will burn. That is because the lens concentrates or focuses sunlight to a point which becomes very hot. All convex lenses can focus light to a point. Now the microscope. Antony van Leeuwenhoek was not a scientist, but he loved making lenses by grinding and polishing pieces of glass. This man from Holland, Netherlands, used lenses to examine many things and was fascinated by what he saw. With years of practice, he managed to make really powerful lenses with which he observed microorganisms. Two other men from Holland, Hans and Zacharias Janssen, made the earliest microscope by using two lenses together. Described simply, a microscope has two or more tubes. Each tube has a lens fitted at one end. You look through the lens of the upper tube and place the object you want to see in front of one of the lower tubes. By choosing different lower tubes, you can magnify the object to different degrees. Microscope magnifies things much more than a magnifying glass. With microscopes, you can see very small things which you cannot normally see. They have made it possible for scientists to study microorganisms that cause diseases. Pathology is the study of disease. Pathologists are doctors who examine the stool, urine, blood, or sputum of patients under the microscope. They identify the microorganisms present in the body of the patient. This helps the patient's doctor determine kind of disease the patient has. Microorganisms have also helped scientists understand what our body is made of. Our body and the bodies of living beings are made of tiny things called cells. Just as a house is made of many bricks joined together, living beings are made of billions of cells joined together. So students, this is the reading of the chapter. Same way you have also to read. Thank you.